So you try to open a link to something that came to you through your school email, and you get this error message or something similar to it saying that you need permission. This form can only be viewed by users in the owner's organization. This happens when you are not signed in to Google or whatever browser you're using with your work email. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go back to Google. From the Google window, I'm going to click on the portrait up here, or there'll be a sign-in button up here, one or the other. You click on the portrait, and this is my personal email account. I need to switch to my work email account. So it may be in the list over here, in which case you can just click it, and if you've told your computer to memorize the password, you're good to go. But if it's not, you're going to choose Add Another Account. It opens up this window in which you'll choose Use Another Account. And here you will type in your e-number at DeKalbSchoolsGA.org and hit Next. And your password should be your network login. Now when I put the link in, it knows I'm a part of the Oak Cliff organization and it lets me in. That's all there is to it.